Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? This is Easy Pictures to Draw. Today we're going to go over how to draw a Christmas wreath. A wreath. I'm going to be using this black marker. It's black and white on this one, and we will do another color one later, but this is for beginners. Step by step for beginners, no matter where you're at. You can do it with me. It's like 3 to 5 minutes. That's it. If not, just watch. So let me get your full attention and let's get started. I'm going to start with a curve kind of like a C. A circle. It's going to connect to that. The same shape on the other side. A circular shape, but like a curl. Those are the folds in the bow. The kind of straps left over from the bow are going to be picking out the side. And so then I'm going to do these riveted lines in a circle pattern for the inside of the wreath. Outside of the wreath, that circle pattern, almost like a furry circle. So check that out. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw some lines in there for ribbons kind of wrapped around the wreath. And that's just straight lines. It can be every so often. You don't have to measure it out or anything. And then there tends to be ornaments in wreaths. So just throw a circle in here, little tiny circles. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw a thicker line on the outside of everything so it kind of makes sense to the viewer. I'm going to throw a thicker line on the outer contour of everything. And that's it. That's a wreath. Really simple, really easy. If that was easy enough to follow, click that like button. Follow me here. Follow me everywhere. Follow me on IG. The other thing is I'm going to have a cute ebook here in the description. You can cutify any character you want by going to that ebook and downloading it. It's completely free. It's about 10 pages, and it's real simple to the point. I really want to be simple to the point. That's kind of a big thing with me. So that's sort of it. I'll see you tomorrow, and I'll talk to you soon.